Lots of homes for sale come with interesting features like a sunroom or fireplaces. This one comes with a survival bunker, circa 1962. That's right, this green lawn home was equipped with this bomb shelter at the height of the Cuban Missile Crisis. Today we spoke with the Smiths, Brian and Lena. They just bought the house a few months ago when they discovered really this historical relic. It comes with a water tank, a working toilet, and 3 entrances. It was built in 1962 by the owner who was trying to protect his family. What did you think?
I had never seen anything like it before. I had never been in a bomb shelter before, so I was completely amazed and a little freaked out at first. But it's kind of awesome. You know, it's just like it's unique. It's a part of a house that I've never. We looked at a lot of houses when we were moving, and so this was definitely something that was not part of the other ones.
It's just such a piece of history. It's a really sad piece of history, but at the same time, it's really interesting. And I feel like it deserves to be, like, I don't know, I wish that I had the money to kind of like restore the air filters.
Right, I was going to say, like, almost like landmarked.
Yes, exactly, like historical home. It's like slightly depressing, but at the same time, it is a piece of history that people can learn from.
The Smiths tell me they don't know whether to be depressed or delighted by this survival bunker under their house, but they do think it is rather cool and certainly historic. They want to hang pictures of John F. Kennedy and other related artifacts because this certainly is a relic from another time. Reporting in Greenlawn, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBSN, New York.